Jason Wydrow here with Golden Dental Marketing, Dental Management University, and W3 Developing LLC. Today, I'm going to walk you through the basics of Google My Business and why it's so important to your dental practice. When a potential client or patient is looking for your dental practice, they're typically going to search Google or another search engine to find out more information about your practice. This research includes looking at a website, looking at photos, biographies, reading, information about services, location, directions, and all the other things a consumer will look for when they're deciding whether or not they're going to reach out for service. So Google created something called Google My Business. This is something that facilitates that research and helps, along with the website and all the other identifications you have online about your practice. Google My Business is also referred to as GMB. As you can see in this search result, I searched GMB and Google identifies that. So if you ever see that acronym anywhere, just know that's probably what's being talked about if it's related to promotion, advertising, Google, etc. So what we're going to do is search right here and get a result. So we type directly in a practice name. And on the right-hand side, this is the Google My Business information. You can see a website, directions, you can save it to your account, address information, snippets, even pulling in some Facebook review data down here. Now, one interesting caveat to having a Google My Business page is if you don't have a really unique practice name, sometimes it's really hard to find your Google My Business page unless the person starts typing in the city name or other information. This happens in some cases, and it's a bit of a bummer when it doesn't show up easily. As you can see, this practice has a very unique name, and the website and other review sites all populate when it's searched in Google, right next to the Google My Business page. It's pretty evident why this page is important is because it gives a direct oversight into the practice itself, contact information, directions, reviews, all of that, and it allows somebody to further their journey of investigation on whether they're going to contact your dental practice or not. Google allows all kinds of features and things that you can do with this page to make it more appealing, such as add custom photos. You can see we have photos, which a user can browse through to see, what they think about the practice. And you can also get directions directly from here, which is really nice because most of the time people want to know how to get there. However, it doesn't look like I'll be driving down there anytime soon. And some photos of the outside, which Google generally provides with their 360 camera, so you can get an idea of where the location is. And this can be very helpful when you're scoping it out and trying to understand where it's located. And of course, the website, because when we go to the website, we want to make sure that everything checks out, plus any more information that we might want to find out about this practice is all going to be here. And this really seals the deal. This allows us to look at reviews, also a mixture of Facebook reviews, Google reviews. It also allows us to meet the doctor, which is great because let's face it, it's important to know, who you're taking your family to get care and whatnot. So this is very important. And things like requesting an appointment, extremely important. This allows interaction, allows a person to reach out for service very easily. Well, that's a basic overview of the Google My Business page. And as you can see, it plays an important asset and assistant into an end user making a decision whether they're going to choose your dental practice or not. Thanks for watching.